welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I am going to give you a sneak peek into this month's Spellbinders clubs. So this month's clubs really kind of celebrate family and friends, and there are some gorgeous products in there. So we're going to start with the stencil of the month. So the stencil of the month this month is actually kind of two sets of layering stencils. So you've got one with 2 layers and one with 3 layers, and you can see I've used mine already. So this one with the 2 layers produces this pattern, and that's just this central part of this pattern. You can see it's really pretty. And then this set of 3 produces this pattern, which is really pretty. And there's obviously lots of ways you can use these as well, like that's a pretty pattern on its own. This is a pretty pattern on its own. You could layer these 2 together or these 2 together. You don't have to use all 3 pieces. So there's lots of ways to use them like that. But then also they're created to coordinate with some of this month's other products. So this is the embossing folder of the month for this month, and that embosses this pattern. It's more difficult to see on screen, but this is actually embossed and then stenciled over, so it's got a really nice dimension to it as well. And then obviously you can use them separately too, so you can absolutely use this on its own, you can absolutely use the stencils on their own. And then this one coordinates with this better press of the month. And ignore my packaging, mine's obviously a sample. So this is a gorgeous delicate pattern. You get Just Because I Care and You're a True Friend sentiments and the die to cut them out. And you can see that when it's used with a stencil, then that gives another dimension to it. I think it actually gives a slightly more delicate look to this, kind of almost like tiled. But then obviously, again, the better press of the month, if you didn't want the stencils, you could colour yourself. You could do a blended background with this stamped over it. There's all sorts of ways to use these products separately, but then together you've got even more options. So I actually think that those 3 things really allow you to kind of stretch those products in a lot of different ways. So then the stamp and die set of the month is this gorgeous set of sentiments. So you've got daughter, son, mum with a U, mom with an O, and dad. And then you've got loads of sentiments to go with that and to build that up. So you've got to my grandma for my grandson, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day. I won't read through them all, but there's some really nice ones in there. For all you do, thank you. Enjoy your day to the fullest. So it's really good for loads of different family occasions. Birthdays, Mother and Father's Day. There's things for your grandparents in there, loads of different things. There's cheers to you, my friend. So you've got so many ways of using that. And then this die cuts out both this one and this one. So each of these is one stamp. So you can stamp them and then cut them all out at once. And then you have loads of these sentiments ready to go when you need them. And that's also what I've used on these cards to do the Happy Mother's Day Mom. So the font's really nice on those as well. So then let's move on to this absolutely beautiful 3D embossing folder of the month. So it's kind of got the florals down the one side and down the bottom, and then this kind of chain link fence type pattern through the rest of the embossing folder. And you can see I've used the bottom with all the flowers on this one. And then I've used the top that's just got a little bit of flower and that chain link fence pattern on this one. So both these cards were done with one embossed image. So this one's come from the top and this one's come from the bottom. And then the glimmer of the month for this month is another beautiful set of sentiments. So again, you've got mum, mom and dad. Those all come on one that you can cut out with one die. And then you've got all sorts of kind of like friendship and family sentiments, like to my sister, to my friend, to my brother, you're my hero, my lifelong friend, you inspire me daily, thanks for everything, forever my role model, your hugs are the best, you taught me to dream big, forever my partner in crime, and your support means the world. And then obviously you can hot foil those all at once and then die cut them with this coordinating die. So again, it's another one of those kind of one pass and you're done type things. And you get this gorgeous prism foil as well, which is really pretty, kind of like silvery but with that aurora effect. So you can see I use this including the foil on this card, and then I've got all these pieces left over that I can use on other cards. So then the final product that I physically got here for this month is this stitching die of the month, which is this lovely background stitching die. You get You Inspire Me, Cheers to You, and the die to go round them as well. So these kind of emboss into the card. So you could emboss them into your card front, or you could emboss them into a piece of card and cut them out. And I'm currently just partway through making this, but you can see how gorgeous a background that creates with this stitching, and then it's also got faux stitching as well, which I'm not sure how well that'll show up on the camera, but it looks really lovely in real life. So then I've not yet received the wax seal of the month this month, so I'll put a picture of it on screen, and hopefully I'll get a reel out or a short out using that later in the month once it comes. And then we've also got this small die of the month, which is really nice for your men's cards, and then this large die of the month, which is really lovely too. And please don't forget that if you want to subscribe to any of these clubs because you really like the product for this month, you're not tied in. As long as you cancel in time, then you can have as many or as few months of the clubs as you want. And then also, if you're really loving this month's clubs, as I am, and you like the fact that they work together so well, you might want to consider the deluxe caboodle. So the deluxe caboodle is all 10 of these clubs, and you also get this free gift, which is really cute, and it's $120 if you buy it from the US store and £120 if you buy it from the UK store. And as I always say in these videos, that is such insane value for money because it's actually less than the cost of buying the 5 most expensive clubs. So you're getting 10 clubs and a free gift for less than the cost of the most expensive 5, which literally blows my mind. So definitely something worth considering if you're going to get more than a couple of this month's clubs. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little sneak peek at this month's clubs and the projects that I'm going to show you over the next couple of weeks. Let me know which is your favourite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below. And you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are listed in the description below, as is the deluxe caboodle. And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.